You know they've been trying. They've been trying and trying, you know. They can't get this gay to you. Never gonna take control over mama, over mama. Never gonna take control over mama, over mama. Never gonna take control over mama, over mama. Never gonna take control.
Is he on the beat?
I'm kinda getting tired of this whole lawsuit shit. So I pack my bags and then I look away. I say today will be another day. I never wrote that test, I skipped a day. Yeah, I guess I probably did that on purpose, hey. So everybody's still calling. Some want their money, some want me to still be boy at night. But I'm chilling in my place alone, thinking alone that I just gotta write a song that explains me. So maybe one day I might get a good deal, get signed by some nigga who got to feel me. You don't gotta have hands.
Babylon I never want take control over mama, over mama. Babylon I never want take control over mama, over mama. They say Babylon I never want take control over mama, over mama. Babylon I never want take control over mama, over mama. Yeah, me say Babylon I never want.
Yeah, ndoto ya kusainiwa kuri ndilipe zifaini zenda fainiwa ndiveka zikontraka zenda baindiwa ndina zvikolodo chikotoda urimindiwa. It's just a matter of time but you recognize this talent of mine. Likwama muya wabo every time when I rhyme. Ifani mula ezo that I put in my lines. Vanga na vanga vari ndono shanduka. Abacha ambanane vasokofuka. Vari ndili chembanje maybe ndidotsuka. Ndambo dzidzirekiso ndikonola ndafuka. Maybe ndinga uri ndikadzitoda dili. Ndoba ndoiwana but not really. Ndoba ndosainiwa nga vatu varesili. Vane vakadzitoda muya wa mizofili.
Babylon I never gonna take control over mama, over mama. Babylon I never gonna take control over mama, over mama. They say Babylon I never gonna take control over mama, over mama. Babylon I never gonna take control over mama, over mama. Yeah, me say Babylon I
Came back, I gotta say something like that before I do tracks. That's why these niggas interested, cause they hear that my lines keep them guessing. And I keep on questioning the system. Problematic kid, what you wanna do to him? He don't deserve this, he don't deserve that, cause he never grew up in the right place, the right time, the right friends, the right mind. The right mom though, cause he learned from her. Do what she want, cause he love her. And I swear I love you, mommy. No, I said it laughing, but I love you, mommy. And I don't wanna get her angry again, cause you know she be arguing shit. Yeah, my family's quite small, you know, it's just me and my mom. No dad, no bro, no sis. I like that one.